All right, you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP. A really exciting update. So if you are part of the XRP community, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So just a few minutes ago, we actually saw XRP reaching a new yearly high. You can't make this up. You're going to see a lot of haters becoming speechless. What were we talking about over the course of the last few days? This is something I was emphasizing quite a bit. And here we are looking at the price of XRP, looking at H bar moving again. You're looking at XLM moving again. But most importantly, XRP reaching a new yearly high right now. This is insane. Right after Thanksgiving, XRP has a lot of fuel on its side. So we're gonna take a look at the price and really show you how much it's coiling over the course of the last few hours and what we could anticipate in the next few hours alone for XRP. Up 9.6% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting above $1.61 again. Also up 10% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market cap at $92.4 billion, guys. Let that sink in. And the 24-hour trading volume at about almost $9 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I got a lot to talk about right now in this update to really show you what we're really looking at right now as far as the broader market is concerned and what this could mean for the likes of XRP. But first and foremost, I want to show you guys as far as what the viewers think. 23 hours ago, I asked you guys, the community members, which utility projects will hit a new all-time high first. 3,800 of you have voted. So shout out to you guys. If you don't want to miss any of these polls in the future, make sure you hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Whenever I do these kinds of polls, you are notified. But anyhow, 3,800 votes and 55% are saying XRP, which is of course really, really exciting to see. And at the same time, not a major surprise to me because of the fact, what XRP has been able to achieve. Once you really wrap your head around to understand the magnitude of this move for XRP, things really make sense. And of course, this weekend is going to be really interesting. Of course, Brad Gerlinghouse interview is coming up, and there's a lot of speculation going on about the specific case coming to an end sooner rather than later. And again, something we've been emphasizing on this channel for some time now, and I think that is going to happen sometime next year. But if you've been following my channel, I've been talking about Ethereum. Ethereum is showing us some significant momentum within itself. And remember, if you are an OG, historically speaking, Ethereum kickstarts a bull market. But this time around, you can kind of argue that XRP could start that bull market for an altcoin rally. But Ethereum, historically speaking, especially the last two cycles, when it was able to break towards a new all-time high, you do tend to see a Bitcoin dominance dropping in return, which of course tends to cause an altcoin rally. And speaking about Bitcoin dominance index, that's exactly what we're looking at. If you've been following the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, you guys know Bitcoin dominance is something I emphasize so much on a day-to-day basis. And you're looking at the dominance index not budging at all. Despite Bitcoin seeing volatility, despite Bitcoin picking up traction, you're not seeing the dominance moving. And like I said in my last update, if the price of Bitcoin is able to crack past the all-time high, retest all-time high, and we still don't see the dominance move, that would be the biggest confirmation, I think, for us to see an altcoin rally confirmation. But you can see Ether's ETFs are beating the Bitcoin counterparts. Recent ETH rally, spot Ethereum ETF saw about 225 million in net inflows between November 22nd to 2027. Did I say 2027? Come on. See, I'm very excited. So between November 22nd to 27th, which was 190 more than the spot Bitcoin ETF. And are we surprised? You're looking at an opportunity. Bitcoin has hit already an all-time high. People are looking at Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't been able to reach an all-time high. And in terms of institutional inflow, it wasn't there. If you're comparing Bitcoin inflows for ETFs and Ethereum, you're barely seeing Ethereum inflows over the course of the last, I would say, even past months, but you're starting to see that change because Ethereum is picking up traction. So those are some factors we cannot be ignoring, but the dominance is still quite low, which is interesting. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is showing us some very interesting things right now. So we know that $96,000 price point, and we actually made our way back above 96K. We actually went all the way up to almost $97,000, but saw a little bit of a minor pullback. But yet again, dominance is not budging. Very, very interesting thing. But if you're looking at XRP, let me give it a refresh live for you guys to really make you understand what XRP is doing right now, which is going to leave a lot of haters speechless. And I repeat, a lot of haters are going to be left speechless. So thanks to the Bitcoin dominance, as I've stated to you guys before, once Bitcoin starts picking up steam, you will see the likes of XRP making its way up quite fast. And that's exactly what we saw happen. Despite over the last, I would say 20-30 minutes, Bitcoin seeing a minor retracement, you're still seeing XRP sitting at $1.61. Tells you everything you need to know. Let me show you guys it on the hourly time frame to really understand what XRP has been able to do. So you can make this up. XRP wicked up to the $1.65 for the first time. And I repeat here, you know what? I'm just going to take you guys back down memory lane. Let's go on the weekly time frame. You know, the $1.65 was retested for the first time since May of 2021, guys. More than 3 years ago was the last time of XRP's price around there. And are we about to see the biggest move happening for XRP in the next few hours, which of course is the 0.50 fib retest? And again, you know, that would pretty much take it up to that $1.91 quite fast, in my opinion, because once we get past this key resistance, which I personally projected to be a little bit of a rejection around this range, but if that is able to break out, we're pretty much only a 21.75% move for us to reach that previous cycle high. So that itself should be sending shockwaves around the crypto space right now, which is you are seeing major accounts talking about XRP that never even tweeted about XRP. But now that XRP's price is reaching the likes of the 61.88, the likes of this 0.50 fib zone, you're starting to see a lot of interest coming in. And of course, you know, ETF announcements recently have been going crazy as well. And we still haven't seen the likes of BlackRock, filing for an XRP ETF. Once the BlackRock announcement comes, why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't BlackRock, come and file for an XRP ETF? Just doesn't make sense, right? And you're seeing the price of XRP already retesting these levels without the lawsuit officially over, and also without an ETF yet to be obviously available. And that tells you everything you need to know in terms of this momentum that we're seeing. And I believe the next few hours, what a great day. Of course, coincidentally, it's going to be Friday, and you're looking at the markets picking up traction. And I think the next few hours could be insane for XRP if it's able to crack past in the 0.50, because after that, guys, after it turns this resistance into support, I think we go towards that previous yearly high. I wouldn't say yearly high, the previous cycle high at the $1.92. And of course, after that, I think we're off to all-time highs faster than you know it. And I believe XRP's price is about to shock a lot of people. It has already shocked a lot of people. If you're looking at it even on the hourly time frame, I already started to see a lot of negative comments coming in once the prices were retesting these levels. And here we are. Sometimes momentum speaks for itself. Sometimes once you kind of realize it from a realistic standpoint, things make more sense. But if you're looking at it just from the 26th November, you did see XRP's price go up 30%. You can't make this up. We are up 30% in just a matter of the last 3 days. It tells you everything you need to know in terms of its momentum. And I could not be more excited about what is coming for XRP in the next coming hours. If it's able to cross back above the 0.50, let the fireworks begin. I think we are about to see something crazy over this upcoming weekend. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are you most excited about? Of course, a lot of people are excited about XRP right now. And I think the entire landscape is shifting. If you're talking about just development side of things as well, I'm sure you guys know some major things we've been discussing over the course of the last few months. Tells you everything you need to know. And now, of course, the Donald Trump administration, clarity is more towards crypto. I think this could really take XRP to levels that people used to imagine. So again, one step at a time right now, but this is a huge, huge move. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.